Hello everyone, welcome back to KK House channel, and this is Kelly. I am so sorry that I have been away for a very long time due to my own business arrangement. I am back now and very excited to show you all some new tutorials for DIY money bouquet. For the warm-up, I will introduce you a satisfying video of me doing a 100 bills money bouquet. Unfortunately, this is not a tutorial, so I won't be able to provide you with a specific method in every step. I personally think making a 100 bills bouquet will take a lot of practice and patience, especially on the wrapping step. I recommend you try out a smaller size first, so don't forget to go back to my previous tutorials to get started. Okay, back to this giant bouquet. I use classic folding style to give the best effect of multiple layers. As you can see, I handmade a big bouquet holder with a couple of foam blocks. The bigger holder will help you arrange all 100 bills without squishing them. And now I will add some music so you can enjoy the satisfaction. For the past months, I received so many comments asking if I can make a bouquet with 100 bills, so here we are. This is my answer. You might not believe me, but from start to finish, it only takes me 1 hour and 20 minutes. Also, I have a couple of orders like this in a month, so I get to practice a lot. I hope that you enjoy watching this video as I really enjoy making it. And if I have your attention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. For example, the fan style requiring no money taping will be available soon. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.